Okay, so what is CSS and how can we implement CSS in our HTML documents? Okay, so CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. So it's the primary language we use to style up a web page. So that means when it comes to the style, when it comes to beauty, all right, when it comes to describing how our HTML elements are to be displayed on paper and other media, all right, we make use of CSS. All right, so CSS actually makes our website looks pretty. You know, the HTML is basically the structure, right, adding visual content to our website. So just in case you've not checked out our HTML series, all right, you can actually do that, all right, in our channel. Okay, so we've created an HTML series that you can as well make use of to get you up to speed, all right, with HTML. So HTML adds the structure, while CSS adds the beauty. All right, so CSS saves us a lot of work because it can control the layout of multiple pages all at the same time. So with the use of the external CSS, all right, we can actually style up our HTML documents. You know, we can style up different HTML documents all at the same time. All right, so we have three methods of adding CSS, which we are going to look into just a bit. Okay, so I have created a CSS folder. All right, so you just have to go ahead and open up your Visual Studio Code and follow along with this particular section. So open up your VS Code. All right, open folder. All right, click on File, Open Folder, and you navigate to the CSS folder. So I've already created a CSS folder already for this particular tutorial. So once you click on Select Folder, that will give you you know, some bunch of HTML documents. All right, so I created this HTML document so that we can just focus on the CSS part itself. All right, so once you've opened up the folder, you're going to get this particular image HTML document, all right, attached.